Imagine having a humanoid robot in every home, ready to cater to our every whim and need. Chores like cleaning, cooking, and mowing the lawn might be delegated to AI robot butlers that are familiar with every member of the family, as well as every room and object in the house. Elon Musk presented a picture of the near future at the TED conference. Hello everyone, and welcome to the AI Universe, a channel where you can get all the updates on AI technology. In today's video, we will talk about Tesla's robot, Optimus. Without further delay, let's start our video. Elon Musk just announced that the Tesla AI Day has been rescheduled from August 19th to September 30th in the aim of revealing a functioning Optimus prototype. Last year's Tesla AI Day was mostly focused on the company's self-driving initiative. Tesla also showcased its Dojo supercomputer and announced plans for a humanoid robot called Tesla Bot, now known as Tesla Optimus. The second AI Day was meant to take place a year to the day after the first, but Musk said today on Twitter that it will be postponed until September 30th. The CEO stated the possibility that Tesla might have a functioning prototype of Optimus by then as the reason for the delay. The real question is, why Elon wants to make a robot? What's his real motive behind this? Elon Musk has a habit of presenting lofty goals that span decades of work and envisage technology that does not yet exist in order to get staff and customers to participate in short-term initiatives. Colonizing Mars, for example, is more thrilling than sending satellites into space. The Optimus robot's vision is equally as dramatic, with autonomous robots performing the bidding of every person and managing every disagreeable and risky activity. It sounds fantastic, if not a little far-fetched. At least in the short term. Boston Dynamics' Atlas is one of the most advanced humanoid robots ever created, capable of not only walking and running on two legs, but also dancing and leaping while keeping its balance. This isn't, however, an intelligent robot capable of carrying out vocal directions without assistance. That's what Tesla is aiming for with this human-sized, AI-powered, self-driving Optimus robot, and launching anything like that will take considerably longer than a year. Optimus, or Optimus Subprime, a bipedal humanoid robot that Musk teased on Tesla's AI Day in August 2021, is Musk's idea of a bot that can handle all the tedious, repetitive chores that people would prefer to avoid. Now let's talk about where this Optimus originated. A Tesla car that navigates itself autonomously, according to Elon, is already a semi-sentient robot on wheels, so it makes sense for Tesla to go for it and put all of its experience and AI in humanoid form. Elon goes on to say that he believes the Tesla bot directly addresses a labor shortage issue. Elon was reported saying, "Over time, I believe Tesla Optimus will be more important than the automotive industry. Labor is the cornerstone of the economy, if you think about it. Labor is distilled into capital equipment. So what happens if there isn't a labor shortage at all? At that point, I'm not sure what an economy is. Optimus is all about that. So it's critical. From attracting and hiring the best AI talent for itself, a full self-driving vehicle, FSD, is still a work in progress and is a critical piece in proving the efficacy of Tesla vision for both Tesla autonomous driving and Optimus. Elon believes they are close to resolving the threat of population collapse, which is regarded as one of the reasons the Optimus project was given priority status. A fully functional AI robot creates an infinite labor supply, limited only by the cost and resources required to build it, giving any economy an exponential boost. It's understandable why any AI firm would want to build one. However, it's a difficult task, and no AI has yet succeeded in solving the autonomous navigation problem. Boston Dynamics robots are among the most advanced robots on the market, yet they too require a human operator with a controller and have limited autonomy. Now let's see how this Tesla robot looks and what its features are. The Tesla robot will be 5 feet 8 inches tall and weigh 125 pounds, according to the company. It will be made of lightweight materials and will have human-level hands and 2-axis feet of balance. The robot was intended for non-automotive robotic application, which means it would be controlled by artificial intelligence, executing orders using Tesla's Dojo sophisticated neural network, a supercomputer interface that lets Tesla automobiles navigate through highways and streets. The head of the robot will be connected with the same autopilot cameras seen in Tesla automobiles. It will have a screen for useful information on its face. It will be able to carry a maximum of 45 pounds, deadlift 150 pounds, and travel at a maximum speed of 5 miles per hour, according to the company. The robot's mobility will be controlled by 40 electromechanical actuators. They include 12 in the arms, hands, and legs, 2 in the chest, and 2 in the neck. Moreover, it will be intelligently controlled by Tesla's full self-driving computer. Musk has stated that Tesla will have a functional prototype by the end of 2022. And that the company plans to begin mass production of the robot in 2023. Given that Optimus Prime may be humanity's closest friend, isn't it safe to assume that purchasing one will burn a hole in your wallet? Surprisingly, however, Musk stated that he believes the cost of a humanoid robot will be less than that of a vehicle, although the price would initially be greater until manufacturing catches up and pushes down the price. And then we'll see a fast increase in the utility of humanoid robots year after year, as well as cost reductions and production scaling up, Musk stated. While Tesla scales production of Optimus, Musk anticipates that the cost of the humanoid robot will be reduced as its useful functions grow. I don't believe the pricing is going to be crazy high, like less than a vehicle, Elon Musk said when asked about the price of Optimus. Sadly, Elon Musk did not provide the manufacturer or model of the automobile that he used to determine the price of the Optimus. Anderson, on the other hand, recommended a budget of $25,000 to $50,000. Musk has stated that physical labor would be an option in the future. Nevertheless, for consumers and small companies to be able to afford Optimus, it must be cost-effective. It's also debatable whether or not this is a positive thing. Consumer products have become more affordable as a result of automation, but this has come at the expense of enormous job losses in some parts of the world. Musk, who has previously cautioned about the perils of AI, also stated that the robot is being built such that humans would be able to outpace or defeat it if something goes wrong. As you see Optimus evolve, Musk said earlier this month, everyone will make sure it's safe. No Terminator or anything like that. Optimus was given a greater priority by Musk earlier this year than other eagerly anticipated Tesla goods, such as the Cybertruck, pickup truck, and the Tesla Semi. However, it remains to be seen if Tesla will be able to keep Musk's claims. An AI researcher, Gary Marcus, told CNBC earlier this month that he doubted Optimus could live up to the expectations by 2023. He added, Tesla hasn't even gotten close to reliably performing one relatively easy activity despite years of work. To imply that a robot that has never been publicly demonstrated would solve all of human tasks in the next year or two is ridiculous. After having all these details about this Elon Musk new robot, let's take a look to see if this robot is safe for humans. Musk, who in the past has cautioned about the perils of artificial intelligence, also said that the robot was being developed in such a way that humans would be able to outpace it or defeat it in the event that anything goes wrong. In the beginning of this month, Musk was quoted as saying, "As you see Optimus evolve, everyone is going to make sure it's safe. No Terminator nonsense or anything like that," the speaker said. Tell us your views on this new Tesla's Optimus robot in the comment section below. What do you think about this new invention and how much this new invention can bring change to this world? This brings us to the end of our video. We hope that you liked this video, and if you do, then don't forget to like it and subscribe to this channel. Also, don't forget to turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload our next video. Until next time, peace!